February the 28th, 2017. Guys, there's reports coming out of Italy, down in Sicily, and this is Mount Etna. It started erupting sometimes yesterday, and they're saying that it's going to affect the weather across parts of southern Europe into the end of the week. On Monday night, Etna, known as Europe's most active volcano, started to spew lava and ash into the air. Ash continued to rise to the atmosphere into today, Tuesday. Mount Etna is situated on the eastern coast of the Italian island of Sicily. They're saying as the upper level winds grab the ash from the eruption, they will steer it away from Mount Etna, affecting the weather elsewhere. And I'm going to show you the map that they expect the ash flow to go through until this Friday. Now, the ash will be swept northeastward across far southwestern Italy, which will see the worst effects. Now, you're seeing the location here in southern Italy, Mount Etna. The red zone is going to be the most severely impacted area. So you guys here. But even with moderate impact all the way to Bucharest, in the orange cone, you're going to have minor flight delays, poor air quality, and haze. Poor air quality, they're saying, will be a concern as the ash can cause breathing issues, particularly for sensitive groups. And that's the reason I'm doing the video, because they can delay flights, they can change the path of the flight, but you can't move this many people out from under that ash. So just remember, they're saying that this ash can cause breathing issues. You may want to take in maybe a mask or whatever until this thing dies off. Now, with it continuing to erupt, this is just basically a 4-day forecast. And we don't know what will happen past that point. We'll just have to keep an eye on the mountain itself. It's saying that this ash, as it goes through the upper levels of the atmosphere, will dim the sunshine from the Ionian Sea into the Balkans on Thursday and Friday, depending on how long the eruption lasts. And this is from them also. The haze could be around for several days. The ash will again cause minor flight delays for those traveling across the Mediterranean Sea, especially near Mount Etna, where the ash will be the thickest. Winds will adjust late on Thursday. Pay attention, bringing in the fresh air from the northwest. However, this could direct some of the ash into Greece, bringing haze for the end of the week. We're going to keep an update on this, guys. Let's look at one other thing. I want to link you to a very good site. It's called webcams.volcanodiscovery.com/Etna. They have many cameras from around the world, different volcanoes, but this is Etna. And it gives you different information, different webcam views of the mountain, and you guys need to keep up with it. Notice here you've got the tremor signals of Etna. This is from Catania. You've got another section here for your earthquakes and tremors. And here you have heat, thermal imaging, so you can see at night. You can see the heat. This is current as we're speaking. Notice the time, 28th today, 14:54 Universal Time. And you've got different views, and the thermal imagings are really neat. That, again, because at night you're not going to be able to see, and if it's heavy ash, you cannot see. But with the thermal cameras and the information available on this website, guys, you can keep a real good track on it. And these particular sections you can enlarge. Say, take this one and just keep clicking on that, get it where you want it. Let's move this over. Many of you are aware of this, but there's a lot of people that ask questions about it. And you folks in Italy, all the way up into Budapest, you need to pay attention to this. And then after Thursdays, the wind's going to change. But these are live, and you can see lava and the heat sections here. Different information all through the site. Guys, keep it heads up on this. Pay attention. You wouldn't want to be right in the heavy asphalt of this. Be safe.